Hello, and welcome back to our YouTube series, Sudsies Guides for Guests. We hope that you enjoy this presentation on our bedroom linen services and find it useful.
1. Linen reception. Convenient pickup or drop-off. Bedroom linens are either picked up by one of Sudsies garment care valets or brought directly to one of their boutiques. Sudsies offers complimentary pickup and delivery services, which is especially convenient for bulky items like comforters, duvets, and large blankets, making it easy for clients to have these items cared for without leaving home. 2. Initial inspection. Thorough evaluation. Upon receipt, each bedroom linen item is carefully inspected for any stains, discoloration, or specific care requirements. This inspection helps to identify the best cleaning method for each piece, ensuring that even delicate or high thread count linens are treated appropriately. 3. Customer communication and estimate. If any issues or special care needs are identified during the inspection, Sudsies communicates with the customer to provide a detailed estimate. This estimate includes a breakdown of the cleaning services needed and any additional treatments required, such as stain removal or repairs. The cleaning process begins only after the customer approves the estimate.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful or enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content like this. This gesture means a lot to us and helps us create better videos in the future. Oh, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for being part of the Sudsies community.